the table here. I'm going to let you actually just be. I'm going to pull. That's about 30.
Is that supposed to stimulate the spine?
It actually tractions it. Yeah, you can kind of feel it pulling away right here.
Oh, see how she's got her knee underneath him?
And then as I let go, feel it go back.
Mm-hmm.
That's right. Lumosacral area is where you can feel it the most. And that's about full extension. Retraction.
I guess
And
you
then I'm
just
gonna
stay in the
let
same
out.
place.
Mhm.
Okay.
Yeah, but as you come back, you kind of come back slowly to a full traction hold, and then when you let go, you come back slowly. Okay. And traction that. Yeah, and I'm just doing that to help hold him up.
Yeah.
Then our sit. What we're going to do, it may take two people, is, because I don't want him to walk, let him sit straight. He says that's really hard to do. That's about as much as he can do.
Mm.
So then I'm going to kind of tickle things and help him back up again. Good. So I'm going to go back where I treat myself.
Where are you tickling him?
Okay, that's going to be easier with him actually having somebody at his head. Okay, so I'm going to let him sit. And the action is going to go all the way down. Good. Okay. And then I'm going to come up with his sit bones. I'm just going to help him up a little bit.
Kind of
And then I'm going to kind of
hamstring
stimulate.
area?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, exactly that. A little bit more for me. A little bit more for me. There you go. And I'm giving him a little lift, but he's, there you go. He's got to use his muscles a little bit more to get up. Good. Okay. And just 3 reps, and then that's going to wear him out. 3 repetitions, and we're done.
Twice a day.
Now, this is where the cookies for that. Cookie here. He's going to hand it to you so he doesn't have to turn it. There we go.
Good boy.
Go here. No. Should probably let you. Just gonna get that toe. Lay down for this and then get you up.
So you purposely did it through those toes?
I did. So that he gets more sensation. Got better angle, so I'm gonna go through 2 toes there. Okay, now let's try going for a little walk. That feels, you know what, it looks like you've got summer flip-flops
Yeah, that's
on.
right.
Looks good. They should be the same color though.
It took me for so long because you know we used to always call them thongs.
Yes.
You know?
I know. That's
Yeah,
what I'm
yeah,
used to.
yeah.
Yeah. Now thong means something
Yeah,
entirely
it is.
different. What do you think? Actually, I think that's even
I
a little
did-
better for turning. There's a little more sensation for him to get some awareness of his feet. And sometimes what we'll do, if this becomes an easy exercise for him, we'll see, is then you put a bell on it, and the sound makes them aware of it. All right? So we let him wear them for about, 5 minutes when we can get him up and moving for 5 minutes. We do that twice a day, that'd be great. And these are just hair scrunchies that I think I picked these up at